I wasn't sure if there was a makeup version of this, so here we go. Your first look, your latest look, your easiest look, your hardest look, your cheapest palette, your most expensive palette, not that price matters, because it doesn't, your least favorite look, your favorite look, and the look that you're most proud of.